The Muslim media in Ghana is gradually gaining grounds, with the introductions of many media houses adding up to the value-added responsibility of disseminating information to the teeming youth of the Muslims across Ghana and beyond. The new addition to this is Baraka FM, which is officially launched in Nsawam-Ahowdwo in the eastern region of Ghana by Direct Aid Society. The launch marked a significant milestone in Ghana's media landscape, promising to bring people together and promote social cohesion. According to Mr. Sami Hanendek, the country director of Direct Aid Society, Baraka FM is dedicated to serving all people, regardless of their background. This inclusive approach is set to make the radio station a beacon of hope and unity.
I can't express about my happiness today to be among you today for this occasion, the commission of Al Baraka Station FM. When we started this project, in my intention, I put my intention in this project to give benefit for all the people. I don't like to say Muslim or non-Muslim. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created all of us, and all of us are equals. All of us are human beings. So this project, inshallah, will give impact and the improvement for everybody, for all of us. This project, when we started from the head office in Kuwait and they decided to start this project, that to give evidence that we are in Arab countries, in African countries, all of us, we are brothers. And today we are give. We help the youth. We give scholarship. We help the community. Because one day maybe we need your help also. So you can help us. So the name of the station is Al Baraka. Al Baraka FM. And I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to give this community and this village and this town and all Ghana people Al Baraka in their life and in their health and everything, in their children and everything. Amen. And also my message for the media staff, media people, your work is very, very important. Like doctors, like engineers, like teachers, like lawyers, because you transfer the facts, you transfer the events, you can improve the community, you can give good impact for the community. So please, any word you say in this station or any other station or media in general, you have to tell the truth. You have to take the people to the right way. No conflict, no discrimination, because this is our aim and our vision in Direct Aid. We work for a human being as a human being.
The manager of Baraka FM, Suleiman Isa, also shared his vision for the station, emphasizing its role in promoting social cohesion, education, and community development. The station is expected to provide a platform for diverse perspectives and voices, promoting positive change and empowering communities.
Baraka FM, our mission is to enrich the lives of community, not only Islamic teachings, but also foster constructive dialogue and cultural exchange, and also to promote social progress. Our vision here is to be the leading community radio in Ghana in inspiring positive change. We are also here to foster culture of learning, health, and social responsibility among our listeners. To our listeners, we promise to deliver engaging content that address your needs, concerns, and aspirations. Our dedicated team has worked tirelessly to craft a diverse program lineup that caters to all segments for our community.
Some dignitaries who graced the occasion also shared their thoughts.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. First of all, we give thanks to Allah the Almighty. Secondly, we give thanks to the chiefs, the traditional leaders of this community, and also the Muslim leaders who have put their heads together for us to have this edifice here. In fact, it has come to help the community. It has come to change the narrative. It has come to educate each and every one of us in this community and even beyond. And Baraka FM does not know any discrimination, as it is said by the manager, and I have witnessed it. Among the workers, we have non-Muslims and we have Muslims. And also Baraka FM is inviting each and every one of us to come and then do program with Baraka FM. Irrespective of your gender or your religion or your political lines, you are all invited. The only thing that I'm just advising is that we should do as much as possible to maintain it so that we can enjoy it to the best.
I am very happy because I see this as one of the most important gestures to have in this time. It is very difficult to set up a radio station because I know what involves in that. The technicalities and most especially the bureaucracy. Ghana, it's very difficult to set up something like this. So my utmost appreciation goes to Direct Aid. Mr. Sami and your team, I am most grateful to you for the help given to this community. I pray for God's mercy and guidance for your team, Direct Aid. I pray for God's mercy for Kuwait, and I pray for God's mercy for Ghana and the world in general.
We would like to say thank you for Direct Aid donors. And to be frank, Direct Aid have a branch more than 30 African countries. It's only few countries have got this chance to open by sponsor of Direct Aid a radio station. And we say Alhamdulillah and congratulations Ghana. We have the first radio station which have sponsored by Direct Aid. Takbir. Allahu Akbar. And as we know, the media has a power. Nowadays, the media has everything. The social media, the platforms, and the radio stations is a lot of things. Our voice can reach far.
As a radio station established by Direct Aid, a renowned humanitarian organization, Baraka FM is poised to make a significant impact on Ghanaian social landscape. Direct Aid support to vulnerable communities in Ghana, and the launch of Baraka FM is a testament to their commitment to promoting social welfare and development. The launch of Baraka FM is a welcoming development in Ghana's media landscape and is expected to have a profound impact on the country's social and cultural fabric. With its inclusive approach and commitment to promoting social cohesion, Baraka FM is set to become a leading voice in Ghana, promoting positive change and empowering communities.
Grand opening of Baraka FM. And we have the director here, country director for Direct Aid. Hopefully in the studio. Director, what can you tell us today?
I tell all the people of Ghana and all the people of Eastern region, Ahowdwo, congratulations for the commission today, Al Baraka Station FM. Congratulations for all of us, because this project will give us, all of us, a good impact for our community Ghana, a good impact in education, in health, in psychological improvement, all the community, and we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to bless all the donors from Kuwait and all the donors from Direct Aid. Thank you so much. Allah bless all of you. Bless
MashaAllah. So you just listen to the director, country director, Direct Aid, who just spoke to you and on 98.7 Baraka FM. Today we have fortunate to have our Sheikh here.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.